अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? ठीक है, तो आज हम अगेन डिस्कस करेंगे टेम्परामेंट को कि टेम्परामेंट क्या है। अच्छा, ये जो चीज़ें हम पढ़ते हैं टेम्परामेंट, बहुत सारी चीज़ें, अगर हम इन्हें देखें कि जो अगर इन चीज़ों का होना भी एक तरीके से ज़रूरी हो सकता है, तो आप मुझे कमेंट करना कि क्यों ज़रूरी है। इन अवर in our discussion of how newborns learn about and become increasingly engaged with the feature of their environment, we have a focus on universal capacities inherited by each individual infant as a consequence of the evolutionary history of our species. We know, however, that infants are also born with individual differences in how they respond to their environment. Some infants seem to use a lot, while others are usually cheerful. Some work at the slightest noise, where other where other seem able to sleep through fireworks. Individual differences such as their relate to variation in temperature in temperament and individual emotional and behavioral characteristics that appear to be the consistent across situation and to have some stability over time. A pioneering longitudinal studies of temperament and its role in development were conducted by Alexander Thomas Tila Chess and their colleagues. They began their research in the late 1950 with a group of 141 middle and upper class white children in the US and later abroad, and their study to include 95 working class Puerto Rican children and several groups of children suffering from diseases, neurological impairment, and mental retardation. Chase and Thomas began their study by conducting structured clinical interviews of the children parents shortly after the children's birth. They question parents about such matters as how the child acts to the first bath, to wear diaper, the first taste, and such manners as how the of solid food as the children grow older. This interview was supplemented by reviews with teachers and by tests of the children themselves.